Starting a business used to be a massive headache and took months. Today, with AI, you can do that in minutes. I built a fully registered business, a website, a domain, branding, marketing, and a launch plan in less than 30 minutes. No coding, no hard work, no critical thinking, just 5 free AI tools. In this video, I'll show you step by step everything that I did. Step 1, a tool we all know and love. Head over to chatgpt.com, tell it all about your business idea and ask it to expand on it. For me, for the sake of this video, I'm starting an AI consulting company that helps startups all the way from the idea stage up until official launch. Told that to ChatGPT, and within seconds, it gave me my mission statement, a list of services, monetization model, marketing strategy, so on and so forth. Just like that, my business idea is now structured. Step 1, complete. Step 2, find a business name. Instead of brainstorming for hours and seeing which names are available, head over to namelix.com, a free AI-powered business name generator. So I'll type in a few keywords describing my business, select the style, and within seconds, Namelix generated hundreds of name ideas. One quickly stood out to me, Authentic. It had an ocean theme I liked and the domain name was available, so I locked it in. Step 3, let's get our logo. I'll go over to ChatGPT and ask it for some ideas. Then take one of those prompts, go over to ideogram.ai, a free AI tool that literally replaces a photo designer, paste in the prompt, and boom, now I have 4 logos to choose from. I'll go with this one. No designer needed, no wasted time. Step 3, complete. Step 4, let's fully register our business. Go to GoDaddy.com, type in your business name. I'll put in Authentic, and I got pretty lucky. I found Authentic.co available for 2 cents for the first 12 months and $50 every year thereafter. But 2 cents was a steal, so I bought it instantly. Now, use GoDaddy's free LLC registration tool. Fill in your personal details. I won't show this part because it is my personal details, but here's the proof that I have officially launched as an LLC in the state of Indiana. Now, we have fully registered our business, have our branding, and our name. Step 4, complete. Step 5, let's build our website. I'll head back to ChatGPT, ask it for a website overview that I could use to generate a full site with AI. It gave me a prompt, so I took it and pasted it into lovable.dev, an AI website builder. Within 3 minutes, after coding it all up, Lovable built my entire website. Perfectly formatted, all buttons work, brand messaging on point. This is literally insane. And if you want to tweak anything, Lovable acts like a chatbot where you can ask it to change anything. So I'll ask it to remove a tab and add my social links. I just gave it a command and 1 minute later, the changes were made and fully functioning. At this point, Authentic is fully built, launched, and ready to go. If you want to check out my website for yourself, I have a link in the description below. Bonus, step number 6, Metricool. Starting a business is one thing, but execution is everything. Metricool is your one-stop shop marketing platform. You can have all of your social media links into it, tracks all of your statistics, even those of your competitors, and you can also see the best times to post on social media per day and schedule posts. So let's say I want to schedule the first post for our social media channels. I'll ask ChatGPT for some ideas, give a prompt to Ideogram for the image, copy those images, put it into Metricool, and bam, first post is already scheduled. Another cool thing about Metricool is smart links. I have this for my current startup, Nebula, and it's a place where I can have all my links and information in one neat, cute looking place. Very helpful and very useful. I am not marketing Metricool. Genuinely think that this is so worth it at $22 a month. It's like having your own social media manager that you pay a salary of $22 a month. Well worth it. Highly recommend it. And that's it. Easy. If you want to use any of the tools that I showed in this video, there's a link in the description below. I'm not sponsored with them, but if you use my link, it'll help support my channel. Now, if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. I'm Adrian, a 21-year-old entrepreneur building Nebula, a platform launching late April to help AI enthusiasts navigate the 30,000 plus AI tools that are out there. Stay posted. Subscribe if you found this useful, leave a like if you enjoyed, and drop a comment if you have any questions. I'll answer all of them. Till next time.